How to make split screen videos on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this app. After you have opened the application, make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. From here, you want to tap on the Reel option. Now to make split screen, you first want to tap on the video layout icon. Once you tap on that option, you can see that your screen has now been split. If you want to change the layout, simply select your preferred layout from here. Now you can start to record a video in split screen, or you can also upload some videos from your gallery. For that, you want to tap on this gallery icon. Now select the video that you want to put. Once you have added one video, you can do the same for the second one as well. As you can see, both videos have been adjusted in the split screen. You can also edit it and then crop the video if you want to. Once everything looks good, you want to tap on the tick mark option. And this is how you can make split screen videos on Instagram Reel. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.